Hey guys, very good morning, one and all, and happy Holi. You are watching me live, and let me tell you the agenda that why I'm coming live and what I'm going to explain. See, like a few months back, I have handled few corporate trainings on C and C++. There I have realized that at industry level, the C programming language and C++, what the employees are using at real-time application development, that is entirely different from what you are practicing in your academics. So I decided to go live every week, three times or four times, like weekly, thrice or four times, and I'll share the advanced C and C++ concepts so that you'll understand that C and C++ are ocean and lot more to learn. I have practiced these topics long back, like 15 years back, but I have not documented those topics. So again, few months back, I got an opportunity to revise those concepts and deliver few corporate trainings. Then I have decided that the concepts what I have revised and the topics which are used at real-time industry level should be known to other people also. So if you are just a beginner, if you are learning C, C++ in your academics, then this live is not for you. This is only for specific category of students, or you can say the employees who are working at industry, or the someone who wants to build deeper knowledge at C and C++. They can follow me wherever you are watching. If you are watching me on Facebook, then please do follow me there. Or if you are watching me this live on YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to the channel so that you'll get live notifications whenever I make these live sessions. And if you're watching me on LinkedIn, then do follow me on LinkedIn. So in today's session, I'll explain what is C99 and C11 in C language. See, if you're working at a corporate company and the domain in which we are working, if it is demanding the C programming language code, then you'll be working or you'll be using the existing code library, whichever is given to you. And without having any knowledge, I have noticed and I have realized that many employees just do perform copy paste and blindly follow whatever is there in the previous code. But these live sessions will help you to understand the pre-written code. So you may not write that complex code by your own, but at least the code whichever is there in your company will be understandable by you if you follow my live sessions. So whenever you are exploring this C programming language concepts, or when you are trying to learn something by your own, you'll come across like C99, C11, something like that. So let's try to understand what do you mean by these C99 and C11. So what I'll do is I'll just share the screen, just have a look, and I'll share one document. In today's class, we do not have anything like practical. I'll just share one document here. So what are C99 and C11 in C language? First of all, you need to understand that these are the two different versions. Yes, you heard it right. Even C and C++ programming languages do have their versions, but not as like Java and Python. Because for Java, every 6 months the new version is released. But for C, C++, it's not like that. But this C99 and C11 do represent these versions. So C99, it's released in 1999. C99 introduced several enhancements over the previous C90 standard. That's nothing but the prior version of this C99 is C90. That's nothing but it is in 1990. After 9 years, they released C99 and they introduced a concept called variable length arrays, VLS, what we call, and then introduced a concept called inline keyword for functions. Then this single line and multi-line comments. Multi-line comments, anyhow, it's there. Single line comments were also introduced. Flexible array members. That's nothing but structures can have an array unspecified size as the last member. Means inside a structure, you can declare an array without specifying its size. They introduced new data types like long int actually it is, underscore bool for Boolean variables. And they introduced a new header file called complex.h to perform operations on complex numbers. And to optimize the compiler and pointers usage, they introduced a keyword called restrict. And floating point support has been improved. And for that, they introduced new header files like fenv.h and tgmath.h. So this is like C99, means these enhancements were done in year 1999. After that, the next enhancement is like 2011, so we call it as C11. It's released in 2011, and C11 aimed to improve portability, performance, and security. And these concepts includes multi-threading support. So, guys, if you're coming from Java background, then try to understand that even C programming language supports multi-threading. There is a header file called threads.h. Generic selection is there, like concept of generics, what we call. Atomic operations, improved bounds checking, as well as static assertions, and more relaxed VLS. These concepts were introduced in C11. So if you are a beginner to C programming language, or if you have not explored C language to its advanced level, then this will be just like a rocket science for you, and you won't understand anything other than the basic programming. So this is the complete comparison summary I have given, like what is there in C 1999, like what is there in C language 1999, and what is there in 2011. So this is the comparison table, like summary I have given about both the things what I have explained there. And if you want this particular document link, means I have kept this explanation on my portal, and if you need this, then please do comment below this video, like you want this document reference, then I'll share the link of this particular document, because it's not required for everyone. Only the interested people will comment, and these videos will have very less number of views, very less. Why? Because this is not for everyone. This is very narrow market. Only few people will understand who are working in IT industry, and their domain is C++. That's the thing. But day to day, the codes what they are writing, they are written in C and C++ with different API callings and the next advanced level stuff. So, guys, thank you so much, and see you in next live session.